This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Stacy Powell. New construction with impressive list of features. This 5-bedroom, 3-full-bath home features a bedroom and full bath on first floor. Gourmet kitchen with granite counters and center island. Open floor plan with spacious great room.Primary bedroom with luxury bath. Located on a private cul-de-sac tucked away in the sought-after community of Cavalier Forest. Total of 9 new homes. Estimated completion date is mid-August. Directions: from Cedar Lane, turn onto Manor Rd. Left on Cardinal Ln. Right on Thornwood St. To the end. Right on Ester Court. Photo updated June 21, 2024. Estimate completion in 60 days. June 25, 2024. For more information, review the details below.